My name is Tom, and I love watching the world change. Every year, nature tells a very long and beautiful story. Spring is the first chapter of this amazing journey today. I am standing in a blooming garden with my friend Lily. Lily is a creative designer who knows everything about plants. She has long red hair, car eyes, and many cute freckles. I wore my simple blue t-shirt and blue jeans as usual. The air smells like fresh flowers and wet green grass. Lily holds a small sapling carefully in her talented hands. Pink cherry blossoms are falling from the trees like rain. My blue eyes are bright because the morning sun is warm. We feel a lot of energy when the winter finally ends. Spring is a time for new life and proactive thinking. Tom smiles because the garden looks like a 3D dream. High-quality detailed character models are in this scene. The logic of nature is simple. Everything wakes up today. Lily shows me the small buds on the old apple tree. I'm satisfying with the soft colors of the spring sky. We talk about the birds that return from the warm south. Every flower is a small miracle of the spring season. My short brown hair is tidy in the light morning breeze. We are a great team because we both value natural beauty. The 3D Pixar world is full of pink and green details. I'm a proactive man, so I help Lily with the soil. Nature is a professional artist, and we are its fans. The first scene of the year is always full of hope. I am Tom, and I believe in the power of growth. Lily's green overall is perfect for working in the garden. Everything looks organized and very high quality in the sun. Our spring adventure begins with a single small seed. The logic of the seasons brings us to the hot summer. The sun is high in the sky, and the days are long. Lily and I are visiting a beautiful beach this afternoon. The water is sparkling like a million small blue diamonds. I hold my vintage camera to capture the bright moments. My blue t-shirt is the same, but the weather is hotter. Lily holds a slice of cold watermelon and smiles broadly. She looks very energetic and healthy in the summer heat. We feel the warm sand under our feet near the sea. Summer is a time for rest and great outdoor activities. My blue eyes are focused on the horizon and the waves. Lily's red hair looks golden under the intense sunlight today. Subsurface scattering on our skin makes us look ultra-realistic. We talk about the ocean and the fish in the deep water. I am satisfying with the vibrant blue of the summer sky. Every summer day is a proactive search for some shade. Tom takes a photo of Lily near the big palm trees. The Pixar style makes the water look clear and inviting. Highly detailed fabric textures are visible on our clothes. We believe in the joy of the warm summer evenings. The beach background is busy with happy people and birds. I'm a proactive photographer who seeks the perfect light. The logic of summer is about freedom and sunny smiles. Lily offers me some watermelon, and it tastes very sweet. Our friendship is stable and strong like the summer sun. The second scene captures the energy of the warmest season. Everything looks bright and very high quality on the coast. I am Tom, and I love the long summer afternoons. We are heroes of a sunny and colorful 3D story. The summer chapter is full of light and happiness. The logic of time changes the green leaves to gold. Autumn arrives with a cool breeze and a quiet mood. Lily and I walk through a park full of maple trees. The ground is covered in a soft carpet of red leaves. Lily is holding a heavy basket of fresh red apples. I wear a light jacket, but my blue t-shirt is visible. We see the squirrels preparing for the cold months today. Tom points at a tree that looks like it is on fire. Lily explains why the leaves change their colors so fast. She is a professional designer who understands nature's art. My blue eyes reflect the orange glow of the park today. The air is crisp and smells like dry wood and fruit. We are satisfying with the peaceful atmosphere of the day. Every step on the leaves makes a funny crunch sound. I'm a proactive man who helps Lily carry the basket. Autumn is a season of harvest and logical reflection. High quality detailed character models blurs in the park. The Pixar world is now full of warm and earthy colors. We talk about our favorite autumn recipes and hot tea. Lily's freckles are bright against her soft red hair today. I believe that autumn is the most poetic season of all. Everything looks organized and very high quality in the mist. My short brown hair is a bit messy from the wind. We find a wooden bench and watch the leaves fall down. Our story is becoming more quiet and very deep today. The third scene captures the beauty of the harvest. I am Tom, and I value the wisdom of the autumn. We are happy to be together in this golden kingdom. The park background blurs into a masterpiece of red. Autumn teaches us how to let go of the old things. The logic of the cycle brings the first white snow. Winter covers the world with a thick and silent blanket. Lily and I are exploring a magical frozen forest today. The trees are white, and the lake is a giant mirror. I wear a blue scarf that matches my favorite t-shirt. Lily wears a red beanie, and her nose is a bit pink. We feel the cold air, and we can see our own breath. The world is very quiet, and the sky is a pale gray. I am satisfying with the clean beauty of the winter. Lily looks at the frozen plants with a lot of interest. Even in winter, nature is alive and very proactive. Tom helps Lily walk on the slippery ice near the shore. High quality detailed character models in the snow. We talk about the animals that sleep during the frost. My blue eyes are sharp in the crisp winter light today. The Pixar style makes the snow look soft and sparkling. I'm a proactive man who builds a small snow tower. Lily laughs and throws a small snowball at my shoulder. We believe in the magic of the cold and dark evenings. Everything looks tidy and very peaceful in the white. Subsurface scattering on skin makes us look ultra-realistic. Our friendship is a warm fire in this frozen landscape. The logic of winter is about rest and inner strength. We find some pine cones and put them in our pockets. I'm satisfying with the silence of the winter woods. The fourth scene captures the purity of the cold. I am Tom, and I am not afraid of the winter frost. We are heroes of a white and magical 3D adventure. The forest background blurs into a dream of ice. Winter is a time for stories and warm memories. The logic of the future brings us inside a greenhouse. It is warm here, and many green plants are growing. Lily is planning her new garden project on a big table. I am sitting next to her, holding a sharp pencil today. We look at a blueprint with many circles and lines. My blue t-shirt is a constant part of my daily life. Lily points at a drawing of a small flower bed today. She wants to plant some flowers that bloom in February. I'm a proactive man who helps with the measurements. The greenhouse smells like damp earth and tropical leaves. We are satisfying with our logical and creative plan. High quality detailed character models are here. Lily's red hair is tied back so she can work better. I believe in her professional vision for the new garden. My blue eyes follow the movement of her busy stylus. The paper textures and the plant pots are ultra detailed. We talk about the importance of the seasonal cycle. Every seed we choose is a promise for the next spring. I am satisfying with the warmth of the indoor lighting. Tom looks healthy and very productive in his chair today. The Pixar world of the greenhouse is full of green life. We respect the rules of the nature and the seasons. Everything looks organized and very high quality in here. I am a proactive friend who supports every new idea. Lily smiles because she loves her work very much. The fifth scene captures the bridge between seasons. I am Tom, and I'm a part of Green Project. We are happy to create beauty with our own hands. The background blurs into a lush and green forest. Logic and art meet on the pages of our blueprint. The logic of the year brings us to the final sunset. We stand on a high hill and look at the vast city. The sky is a mix of orange, pink, and deep purple. I have my camera around my neck to record the finale. Lily stands next to me, looking at the distant horizon. We have seen the blossoms, the heat, the gold, and the ice. My blue t-shirt is a symbol of my stable nature today. Lily's red hair glows in the soft golden hour light. We are satisfying with the quality of our long journey. Every season has a unique and very important meaning. I am a proactive man who values every passing day. Tom looks at Lily and smiles with a lot of gratitude. Subsurface scattering on skin makes us look ultra realistic. The 3D Pixar world is beautiful at the end of the day. Highly high quality detailed character models in every turn. We talk about the new spring that will arrive soon. The logic of the four seasons is an eternal circle. I believe in the beauty of change and the power of time. My blue eyes are calm and full of peaceful thoughts. Everything looks tidy and full of great hope tonight. We are heroes of a heartwarming story about the world. The hill background blurs into a soft and colorful sky. I am satisfying with the results of our seasonal search. Lily waves her hand to the sun as it disappears slowly. We are a great team of two proactively thinking people. The sixth scene of my story is a triumphant conclusion. I am Tom, and I am satisfied with the four seasons. Nature is a high-quality artist, and we are its guests. The final scene captures the golden hour piece today. Our journey is finished, but the cycle starts again.
Write a comment. 3 best comments get 20 English lessons completely free.